Komisi benta ban pau ye jing persa halo ke jing syak sediap jong ki khat saungut ki briu belui ha uting ka bahap apo ka mon district jong ka jala Nagaland menta ka si ka khatwei tarik nopra ka National People Party ba ka National People Youth Front hapo ka jilam James ke sangma ki lapun long da ka jing thang bombiti ban pau ye jing persa jor ha ka ni ka jing thang bombiti lai don lang ru ki nong yelam ba ki khot jong ka National People Youth Front ni ya ka ba lapun long ha phalor jong ka office National People Party ka bodan hal chumya shlong ha bakran ha ka jilang lingkot James ke sangma lu ong ba ka jing ka sau tarik mentau menai nopra kilapan pau jung soldam nak benta kitu kilong yeng diploma di kijingja ka pasungsi.
This is really something that as a party we want to express to our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland, that what has happened is so unfortunate and we condemn it in the highest possible manner. And today, as we light these candles, we want to express our solidarity with our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland. We would like to send out our condolences to the bereaved families, some of whom have lost their major bread earner. And this is really something that has brought into focus the whole discussion about the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the draconian nature of the AFSPA, the way that despite many justifications for its imposition in the Northeast, it has on the contrary worked against bringing about peace. Despite the many times that people of the Northeast have voiced their objection to AFSPA in the Northeast, and also our party, the NPP, which has always been very vocal against AFSPA. Nothing has happened, but today I believe that 14 of our brothers who have lost their lives, this should not go in vain. We must all stand united, not just people of Meghalaya, but all the people of Northeast, all our brothers and sisters there, not just the people of Nagaland.